Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds Plantronics Backbeat Pro. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth turned on, so open control panel and turn on your Bluetooth here. Now, this earbud should reconnect to your phone automatically, but for iOS devices or maybe some Android phones, we need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and then tap at your earbuds. As you can see, it will connect to my phone automatically, but it doesn't work with iPhone and with some another Android phones. Now, if you still haven't connection, we need to perform a software reset. To perform a software reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from your phone, and after that you just open the charging case and remove your earbuds to the case, from the case, sorry. And your earbuds should reconnect automatically. Of course, sometimes happen that you don't want to reconnect automatically, then try to tap at your earbuds at the device list. Next step, if you have just connection instability, but you can connect your earbuds, I recommend it to use an application and perform a factory reset. So when you have connection with your earbuds, open Backbeat application, then go to the settings at the right top, and at the bottom click reset settings, then reset headset and reset headset. So it quickly click done, and after that you need to return to the settings and to the Bluetooth or connected devices. Now it automatically removed these earbuds from your phone, but I'm not sure that it will automatically remove earbuds from your phone. So then click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, and then click forget device and forget this device. Next, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, but not all Android phones have this button, so if you haven't, maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. And after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you need to tap on them at the device list. And then click pair. Then it will ask to add the left earbud, so you need to click pair again. Now we have both of them. Now, if it didn't help you also, we can also reset Bluetooth settings. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android, and I will show you how to do this on stock Android, because this one is the middle one, is classic Android, and some Android phones have system what more visually to iOS, visually more similar to iOS than to Android, so maybe you need to check part with iPhone to find a similar path. Now let's move to the iPhone. So on your iPhone, open settings, and then we need to go to the general settings. Now scroll down, and at the bottom we have transfer reset iPhone. Tap at this line, then click reset. And in this window we need to select reset network settings. There is no reset Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. So tap on it, then write your password, and you need to click reset network settings, but you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone, so you need to know it. Now let's move to stock Android. And on your Android, you need to go to the settings, then scroll down, and you need to find system. Enter into the system, then scroll down again, and at the bottom, at least on stock Android, we have reset options. Then click reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi line and click reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!